Hi everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, so this is the reading for the zodiac sign Aquarius for the month of February. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to um, order activated and energized bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to uh, book my session related to Vastu, or I'm an energy consultant too, so if you want me to check your house space or office space on the video call, or else on-site visit in India. On-site visit is available only in India. For abroad people, I can do visit on video calls. So if you want to book my session related to Vastu and other energy consultant, then you can enroll it. Okay, so yeah, all the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah. Are shh. Okay, sorry guys for the background sound, because my family members keep on bugging me. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so Aquarius, what are you going through currently in the month of February? Okay, there's a lack of opportunity. Okay, someone wants to offer a cup of love towards you, or you want to offer a cup of love towards someone, but their energy is being blocked. Okay, like no message, no communication, or someone is not trying to reach out to you, or you are not trying to reach out to someone in the month of February. If you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome? You will stay unhappy. You have to reach out to someone. If the other person is not reaching out to you, you have to reach out to someone, because that person is your happiness, guys. Okay, that makes you happy. That person is brings brightness into your life. Okay, what do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? You are going through some major healing process. Your healing has been blocked, but you are just, there's a divine timing playing its role. You might be dealing with a twin flame connection or a soulmate connection, guys. Let me tell you, because when divine timing is at its play, it happens only when only universe wants it. Okay, when you are at a proper level of each other. Okay, what do you need to do to improve the current situation? Okay, you need happily ever after with your person, which is not happening currently. You want that this separation or whatever problems are going on between you and your partner should be ending. And I think, this is just for, this situation is only for 10% of Aquarius, not for everyone out there. Okay, so the other Aquarius are very happy into their relationship and their family. They are going through happily ever after thing, which is very good. But there are 10% of the people who are not happy with, because their partner is not being with them, or there is a problem between their family life or relationship. Okay, tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Okay, so your partner feels that you are very strong person, very strong headed person, which is very good. Okay, where the relationship might be going, where the relationship might be going. Okay, so they are not concerned, this relationship is going nowhere, because the other person is I just need to tell you guys that the other person is being very emotional when it comes to relationship, but at the same time for you it's like either one of the person is being practical and the other person is emotional. The one person who is emotional is thinking about relationship, the other person who is practical is thinking about making money, minting money or doubling the money. Okay, it's like that. What should you focus on from now onwards? Okay, you need to focus on what should you focus on from now onwards? You need to focus on your wish fulfillment. Why I'm saying, because I just saw the card. Yeah, you need to focus on your self. Okay, you need to focus on your decision making effort. Okay, there's a third party situation which is creating a problem into your relationship or your life. Okay, you're waiting for the ships to arrive, and I think you have to make a major decisions in the upcoming months. related to something, either relationship or your career, okay, or about third party situation, okay. It can be anything. So the third party can be anything, the in-laws, family members, neighbors, anyone can be the third party situation. I think you need to focus on the third party situation, or you have to make a major decisions related to a third party situation or a relationship, okay. What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears, guys? What are your hopes and fears? Okay, so your hope is that you want complete stability into your home life, career life, financial life, in all the areas of your life, okay. At the same time, you have a fear that there is a instability going on into your home life, either of the one life, okay. Either career is not sorted, or career family life is not sorted, or relationship is not sorted. So that comes under fear. At the same time, you're hoping for overall stability when it comes to money, financial life, romantic life, and family life. That's good. What is the likely outcome of the situation? Okay, the likely outcome is someone wants to come towards you on an energetic level. He or she might not be trying to take an action towards you right now in the 3D world, but in the 5D world they are thinking or planning to take an action towards you, or else you are thinking to take an action towards someone or something, okay. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, okay. So a new opportunity or a new person might enter into your life, or you might go towards someone, okay, with an offer of love, okay. It might be on an energetic level, but in the 3D world it might take 2 or 3 months, okay, to come into the provision, like, you know, to come into the reality, okay. What does the spirits wants to guide you? What is the spiritual message for you guys? What will be the spiritual message for you guys? The spiritual message is that you have to be into a Leo energy. You have to be very strong headed, and you have to be very practical. You have to be a fiery energy. You have to be into your own zone, okay. You will be a very dominant energy in the month of February. You will do whatever you want to do. You will not listen to anyone, which is very good, because when it comes to fire energy, or if you are dealing with the fire energy, that fire energy might come towards you, or they'll be into their own power, okay. Either you are dealing with a fire energy, or you will become a fire energy in the month of February, okay. So yeah, okay. So the first one is you feel lonely sometimes. You feel that someone left you out in the cold, or you left out someone in the cold, or you feel lonely. There is a sense of loneliness. You feel that, you know, you have to blossom yourself. Self-love and self-care is utmost important. There is definitely a third party situation interference is there. I don't know which one, but yeah. Ending of karmic relationship, karmic things, endings and new beginnings. Something is ending, a pattern of living is ending, a thought process is ending, or a relationship is ending, or a karmic person or a karmic relationship or a karmic problem is ending. So endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you guys, okay. Okay guys, there is one card which got flipped out, okay. So if you are into separation for so long, I think there is a reconciliation for few of you who are into a relationship but into separation. A reconciliation or reunion might happen in the month of February, or at the same time you will be feeling very happy, or if not that, if not reconciliation, there will be a celebration or a party happening with the near and dear ones, because you know, a lot of creativity you will be knowing about yourself. What is the universal message for you guys? What is the universal